Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Mixologist Bartender Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring home mixologist or seasoned professional looking to elevate their cocktail game, offering a comprehensive set of high-quality instruments designed to craft delicious and visually stunning drinks with ease and precision, ensuring every pour and shake is a step towards mixology mastery. Number 5. FineDine 14-piece stainless steel cocktail shaker set. Discover the ultimate bartending experience with our comprehensive 14-piece cocktail shaker set. It includes everything you need to craft delicious drinks like a pro. Crafted from high-quality, rust-free stainless steel with a brushed finish, this set offers a leak-proof and scratch-proof experience. It's built to last and impress. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this set has you covered. It provides all the essential tools to create any drink imaginable. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. These tools are completely dishwasher safe, making them the perfect addition to your home bar. Looking for the perfect gift? Surprise the aspiring bartender in your life with this exceptional bar set. It's a present they'll cherish and use often. This complete set includes a Boston shaker, jigger, bar spoon, strainer, bottle opener, muddler, pour spouts, and a stylish velvet bag for easy transport and storage. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive collection of tools for any aspiring mixologist. It's crafted from durable, rust-free stainless steel for a premium feel and long-lasting use. If you're looking for a complete package with easy cleanup, this is the one for you. What people say. The shaker is well made and doesn't leak. The jigger is accurate and easy to use. The strainer fits snugly and effectively separates ice. Number 4. Black cocktail shaker set with pine stand. Unleash your inner mixologist with this all-in-one cocktail shaker set. It includes everything you need to easily craft delicious drinks at home. Made from premium stainless steel, this set is designed for superior durability. You can rely on its robust construction for endless cocktail-making sessions. Enjoy a seamless cocktail crafting experience thanks to its practical design. Every tool is made for easy operation, letting you focus on the fun part, shaking. Keep your bar tools neatly organized and stylishly displayed on the elegant wooden stand. It complements any decor and is perfect for any home bar setup. Offer exceptional value with this high-quality and aesthetically pleasing set. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves making cocktails, from beginners to pros. Cleanup is a breeze with this set, as it's designed to be dishwasher safe. A simple hand wash will keep it looking brilliant for years to come. What we like. This kit combines essential bar tools with an elegant wooden stand, keeping your space organized and stylish. Its leak-proof design ensures a mess-free experience, and it's built for superior durability. If you appreciate both functionality and aesthetics, and want to elevate your home bar's look, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. The shaker is well balanced and easy to hold, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The jigger has clear markings, allowing for precise measurements of ingredients, which is crucial for consistent cocktails. All the tools are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. Number 3. Mixology Craft Cocktail Shaker Set with Dark Bamboo Stand, Gold. Unlock your inner bartender with this complete 10-piece cocktail kit. It includes everything you need to craft professional-grade drinks right in your own home. Keep your bar tools tidy and accessible with our custom bamboo stand. Its precision-cut slots offer a beautiful and clutter-free display for all your accessories. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this set is built to last. Enjoy durable, rust-resistant tools that are easy to clean and provide a reliable, leak-proof seal. Perfect for both beginners and experienced hosts, this kit simplifies cocktail making. Achieve precise measurements and smooth, bar-quality results every time. Surprise someone special with this sophisticated barware set. It's a high-value gift that combines natural wood with sleek steel, perfect for upgrading any home bar. What we like. Master mixology with this professional 10-piece set, featuring a beautiful dark bamboo display stand to keep everything organized. Crafted from high-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built for both durability and elegance. If you desire a sophisticated and clutter-free bar setup, this kit is perfect for showcasing your skills. What people say. This bartender kit includes a 24-ounce cocktail shaker, jigger, strainer, bar spoon, and muddler, providing all the essential tools for making various drinks. The shaker's tight seal prevents leaks, ensuring a mess-free cocktail preparation experience. All the tools are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable, rust-proof, and easy to clean. Number 2. Mixology and Craft All-in-One Cocktail Shaker Kit. Unleash your inner mixologist with this comprehensive 16-piece cocktail set. It includes everything you need to craft your favorite drinks with ease and precision, just like a professional bartender. Crafted from professional-grade stainless steel, this set is built for superior durability and lasting strength. Its polished finish not only looks great but is also easy to clean, ensuring enduring performance. Experience the convenience of its thoughtful design. Each tool is made for comfortable handling, from the perfectly sized jiggers for accurate pours to the mixing spoon for effortless stirring. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual gathering at home or a special event. This versatile set empowers you to create a wide variety of cocktails, offering solutions for every drink mixing need. Presented in a stylish and portable tube case, this cocktail kit is ready to impress as a gift. It's an ideal present for weddings, celebrations, or any cocktail enthusiast, making any moment a celebration. What we like. This extensive 16-piece set provides all the essentials for crafting a wide array of cocktails with professional-grade tools. Made from professional-grade stainless steel, it ensures lasting strength and an easy-to-clean finish. If you need a versatile set for various occasions and appreciate a convenient, gift-ready presentation, this is an ideal option. What people say. The shaker tin is well made and has a good weight to it, making it easy to hold and shake. The jigger is accurate and has clear markings, which helps in measuring ingredients precisely. The strainer fits snugly on the shaker tin and effectively separates ice and pulp from the cocktail. Number 1. NutriChef Mixology Bartender Cocktail Shaker Set. This comprehensive 15-piece bartender kit has everything you need to craft delicious cocktails. It includes various shakers, strainers, pourers, and even a recipe booklet. Crafted from commercial-grade stainless steel, these bar tools are built to last. You can rely on them to create refreshing mixed drinks for any event. Cleanup is a breeze as this professional cocktail set is dishwasher safe. It won't rust, stain, or retain odors, ensuring pure flavor every time. Take your mixology skills anywhere with this compact and portable bar set. All accessories nest neatly inside the shaker for easy storage and travel. With its attractive polished finish, this cocktail set makes an ideal gift. It's perfect for weddings, birthdays, holidays, and any celebration. What we like. This 15-piece set comes with a cocktail recipe booklet, making it perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It's made of commercial-grade stainless steel and is completely dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a portable set that includes guidance on making drinks and offers hassle-free storage, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The cocktail shaker is well made and doesn't leak. The jigger is accurate and easy to read, making precise measurements simple. All the tools are made of stainless steel, which feels durable and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.